Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit your Spotify playlist. So right now I'm at the home screen of Spotify. At the bottom, you can see there's like 4 icons. The first one is for home, the second one is search, and the third one is your library, and the fourth one is premium. So we don't need the fourth one at all. So we're gonna click on the third one, your library, because that's where your playlist is. Then you're gonna choose the playlist you want to edit. I'm gonna pick my first one. And then once you click on the playlist, you have a couple of options right below the picture here. It's enhance, an icon, and then like 3 dots. We're gonna click on those 3 dots. And there's a lot of options here. And the first one is add songs, and the second one is edit. So we're gonna click on that edit option. And here, when you edit your playlist, you can change the name of your playlist and you can delete some songs of your playlist if you don't like any. So I'm gonna delete this one, and then all you have to do is save. And that's how you edit your playlist. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.